Hello, and welcome to this Level 1 Food Hygiene Awareness for Manufacturing training course. Every year, an enormous number of people who purchase food to eat at home or who eat out are affected by food poisoning. As someone who handles food, you carry a significant responsibility to ensure that the food you prepare, handle, and sell is safe for your customers to eat or take home. And so, this course will help you understand how to keep food safe, why being clean matters, and what can go wrong if food isn't handled properly. We will do this by working through two modules: Introduction to Food Hygiene and the Law, and Safe Food Handling and Hygiene Responsibilities in General Workplaces. At the end of the two modules, you will undertake an end test. You must score 80% or higher to pass the end test. So, let's begin working through Module 1, Introduction to Food Hygiene and the Law. In this first module, we will work through the following sections. What is food poisoning? Your legal duties. Microbiological hazards. Allergens. Chemical hazards. Physical hazards. And pests. Module 2, Ensuring Food Hygiene in the Manufacturing Workplace. In the previous module, we explored the hazards that come from ineffective food safety. Now, we will explore how to avoid these hazards through adequate food safety. This module will focus on behavior and systems to prevent food hazards from causing harm. And so, in this module, we will explore the following sections: keeping yourself clean, safe handling and food preparation, controlling allergens, safe cooking, cleaning of crockery and utensils, cleaning of floors and surfaces, pest control, waste control, safe storage, refrigeration, food delivery, and avoiding cross-contamination.